Many of us hate dating. Many of us hate putting ourselves out there to even make friends. But I think it's important to remember that a lot of it is just a numbers game. The more you put yourself out there, the more dejected and rejected you will be. But at the same time, for every 5 or 10 or whatever number it happens to be, and who knows what that magic number is, for every person who rejects you or dejects you, you're going to find that person who might become your best friend or become your social partner or your significant other. I know it's hard, especially in modern America, especially with social media. We feel that we're always comparing ourselves to the best of whatever category, and we never seem to live up to those ideals ourselves. It's easy to swipe left or right. It's easy to swipe up or down. It's a lot harder to have a conversation with someone that you've just met. But remember, they're probably going through the same thing you are, and would probably love to have you reach out to them. I'm sure you've heard some of the most attractive people say, it's not any easier for us to go and get dates because people don't want to approach them because they feel that they're going to reject them. And while that may be true in many circumstances, it certainly isn't true all the time. Give everybody a chance. Give yourself a chance. It'll pay dividends. Take care, and thank you very much for watching.